Hello and welcome back to Skill. In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove objects in Photoshop. So let's get started. Start by opening Adobe Photoshop and open the image which you want to remove the object. Now select the Lasso tool from the left sidebar. Make a selection around the object you want to remove. After selecting the object, right-click on it and select Fill. A drop-down will appear. From the drop-down menu, click here and choose Content Aware. After that, click OK to confirm. Okay, that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skill. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.